Meaning of idiosyncrasy.
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 Idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy refers to an individual's personal characteristic or habit that is peculiar to them and not typical of others. It refers to a unique or odd trait a person exhibits that sets them apart from others. This can manifest in various ways, such as a particular speech pattern, tendency to collect unusual items, or a specific way of dressing. Idiosyncrasies can be harmless, endearing, or even annoying. They are often accepted as quirks in a person's personality or behavior, and can contribute to their overall individuality.